How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you're gonna have to go ahead and open Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you're just gonna have to tap on the plus icon to post a story. But before you do that, you need to make sure that you have your highlights ready. If you want to add this to your existing highlight, that's alright, but you can also create a new one. So I'm just going to tap on this plus icon. So now I'll just select this picture to post on my story. What you can do is quickly post this first. Now if you don't want people to know that you've posted it, but you still want to add it to highlight, you can quickly wait for it to be posted and quickly delete it. So I'm just going to wait for it to be posted. Let me just check my notification panel, and as you can see, the story has been uploaded. Let me go back, tap on the three dots. You can directly archive it, and people won't be able to see it. So you can now archive stories without while they are active as well. But before the recent updates, you would not be able to do it because this was not a feature yet. So I'm just going to directly archive this. Once you've archived your story, it is no longer visible and people won't be able to see it. Then simply head over to Profile and then go to the three dots, go to Archives, and go to Highlights. So there are no archive highlights, but there is an archive story here. So let me just refresh and see the story. Now once you're able to find the story on your highlights or your archives, just tap on it and tap on highlights. Now you can add this to your existing highlight or create a new one. I'm just going to create a new highlight here and then tap on add. And now you've successfully added your story to a highlight without actually posting it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.